In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to divide in Excel and what to avoid. Open Excel, either in the web version or the desktop app, and open the sales spreadsheet you want to work with. Click cell D2 in the price per unit column. This is where the first division result will go. Type an equals sign to begin the formula. Then click cell B2, which contains the first revenue value. After that, type a forward slash. This forward slash is Excel's divide operator, and it is what Excel uses instead of the traditional division sign. Now click cell C2, which contains the first unit sold value, and press enter. You should now see the price per unit calculated for the first row. Next, click cell D2 again to select the formula you just created. Move your cursor to the small square in the bottom right corner of the cell. When the cursor changes into a plus sign, drag that fill handle down to cell D6, then release it. Now fix the division error so the column stays clean. Click cell D2. Press delete to clear the existing formula. Type the updated formula carefully. Equals IFERROR, open parentheses, B2 divided by C2, comma, 2 quotation marks, close parentheses. This formula still divides revenue by units sold, but it also tells Excel to show a blank result if the division creates an error. Press enter. Click cell D2 again. Move back to the fill handle in the bottom right corner, drag it down to cell D6, and release. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Column D now shows 4 calculated prices for North, South, East, and West. The central row is blank instead of showing the divide by zero error. This matters because any sum, average, or chart built from column D can now work cleanly without that error contaminating the data.